Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the Uber app. So let's start. First open the Uber app. Uber has recently changed the layout of their app and the map has been situated at the bottom of the screen. If you swipe up and tap on the map, you'll be able to see the map and the available vehicles around you. You can also search your ride from here. Now let's go back. Uber has recently introduced the option of scheduling your ride. You can set up a pickup time and the app will find a ride according to that time. And there are two options of ride. One is ride, another one is rentals. Now let's go back and tap on where to. First, you have to enter a pickup location, then your destination. And the app will show a tentative route and a few ride options. And if you swipe up, you'll see more ride options. UberX is the most popular ride option. And if you have a group of friends and family, then you can choose UberXL, which can accommodate up to 7 people. Then you have hourly rentals. Uber has introduced a new service, which is Moto Delivery, through which you can send packages to your friends and family. And the most affordable ride option is Uber Moto. The ride options may vary according to the country you are in. Now select a ride option and tap on Confirm at the bottom of the screen. Now choose your pickup spot. And tap on Agree and Ride. And Uber will start searching for a ride for you. You can cancel anytime you want. Here Uber is showing a nearby driver. And my driver was found. And the driver will pick you up in a moment. And if you want to cancel your trip, then tap on Cancel. And to confirm, tap on Yes, Cancel. And that's how you can use the Uber app. So if this video helps you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.